friends, in this small video I'm gonna tear down the i7S TWS brand fake Airpod like Bluetooth headphone, whatever you name it, because these Bluetooth headphones are terrible to speak as a hands-free speaker Bluetooth headset. Yeah, when it comes to price, they are cheap, but you can find them between $10 to $15 on the internet, but is it really worth to buy them? I really don't suggest you if you're gonna use them as a hands-free speaker, because nobody hears you what you say, and therefore I decided to tear down, to disassemble it and see what kind of microphone they have used. Easily you can pull the socket and then again pull the cabinets easily, and plop, as you see, you are in. There is the small speaker and a very small lithium-ion kind of battery, which is really not protected enough, I think, and I'm gonna desolder the cables to see the rest. After desoldering it, you see the electronic board and the antenna, Bluetooth antenna, and the charging port, as well as the small speaker. And there are two small LEDs which I decide to paint to black because the lights are like a disco lamp and very annoying. The microphone is not working good. Maybe it's because the microphone is behind this small hole, but each microphone works like this. I think this is a electronic or microphone quality issue, so I really don't suggest you, if you would like to use it as a Bluetooth headset, because you will see if you buy it that the person doesn't understand you and your voice goes like an alien. Lastly, the battery. It's around, I guess, between 75 to 100 milliampere, because the using time is around 1 hour. I couldn't use it more than 1 hour while listening to music. And yeah, the speaker quality is not bad, by the way, if you want to listen music, but there is an annoying hiss sound on the right ear. You hear it all the time, a very low hiss sound, like so take that in mind also. So that's all for today. Take care. Peace.